To use Chase points on Hotwire, start by understanding what Chase points are and how they can be utilized. Chase points are rewards earned through various Chase credit cards and can be redeemed for travel, gift cards, and other experiences. Hotwire is a travel booking platform that allows users to book flights, hotels, and car rentals. First, log into your Chase account and navigate to the Chase Ultimate Rewards portal. This is where you can view your available points balance and explore redemption options. Click on the Travel tab and select Hotwire as your booking platform. You will be redirected to the Hotwire website, where you can search for flights, hotels, or car rentals. When searching for travel options, enter your destination, travel dates, and number of travelers. Hotwire will display available options, along with prices and point redemption values. To use your Chase points, select the Pay with Points option and enter the number of points you wish to redeem. Keep in mind that point redemption values may vary depending on the travel option and time of booking. It is essential to compare prices and point redemption values across different travel options to maximize the value of your Chase points. For example, if a flight costs 20,000 points or $200, it is more valuable to redeem points if the cash price is high. On the other hand, if the cash price is low, it may be more beneficial to pay with cash and save your points for a more valuable redemption. Once you have selected your travel option and entered the number of points to redeem, review your booking details and confirm. Your Chase points will be deducted from your account, and you will receive a confirmation email with your travel itinerary. It is crucial to read and understand the terms and conditions of your booking, including cancellation policies and travel restrictions. To get the most out of your Chase points on Hotwire, consider booking travel during off-peak seasons or using points for car rentals or hotel stays, which may offer better redemption values. Additionally, be flexible with your travel dates and destinations to find the best deals. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively use your Chase points on Hotwire and enjoy rewarding travel experiences.